What are we doing today, Jennifer?
I guess we're organizing the tools for the Jeep.
Yeah, we're going through the Jeep bags. Tell them what the bags, which one each one is.
Well, the red bag has all the sockets and wrenches, which really need to be
Organized a little better and gone through. All right, we'll spread all that out. And what's that?
This one is our electrical bag.
All right.
It has all the wires and connectors.
Okay, what's that one?
And this is the multi-purpose bag that has the screwdrivers and different
Channel
various
locks and
tools.
Needle nose and
Yeah, and then
zip
this is our
ties.
recovery box. It has the gear, the straps and the gloves.
snatch blocks. All right, let's we'll spread them out. We'll get this on the tripod and we'll give you an idea of what we're gonna. We might be thinking of going all to rigid and get rid of the bags altogether. So we're gonna see what it looks like today. I'll put this on the tripod and bring you back in a little bit. And dump it out.
Ready?
Yep. All of this stuff's in the red bag. All right, we're gonna organize it so it looks good, and then we'll show you what everything is.
Yes, we need to be better organized.
Yeah, we do. So show them what you found in our bags that you emptied out here.
Well, I have a little bag of our extra bolts and
And those have
washers.
come. We've used those, so.
But yes, these are used because these are like from control arms and stuff.
And we do
But
split
some
one.
miscellaneous stuff kind of gets thrown in there.
And then what else did you find?
In this little bag, I had the 1/4-inch drive with some miscellaneous shit.
All right, yeah. So it would have been hard to find anything in there, all right?
Oh, look, another one.
Oh, look at that. And look at, we have crescent wrenches from hell. I don't know why we're carrying around 6 crescent wrenches, but we're going to probably reduce that to 3, I think. And what else we got?
And
Some
we have
drift
the
pins, extensions, breaker bars, 1/2-inch drive, 3/8 drive. What's that one called where you hammer it and it
This?
unscrews?
Pickle fork.
A pickle fork. No, the other one. This, miscellaneous Jeep centric sizes. Oh, 1/2-inch drive. We got to get another rack.
Yeah.
I started converting her to racks, but Sears is not always fully stocked, so we got to go back to Sears, and we need some more 1/2-inch and 1/4-inch drive to get on our racks.
And then we got, these were the
Miscellaneous.
Allen wrenches that we had.
We just bought this
We
one.
just bought that one.
So that'll replace that whole pile of mess. It'll be in one organized thing. Then I think I might get a couple racks a day for the wrenches, because these are all our wrenches. We had one. I hate them in the bags. They drive me nuts. And here's our metric. I'd like to get those in racks, organized in order, so they're much easier to find. All right, we'll see what how we do this here, and we'll pick it back up. But this is just one bag. We're gonna try to organize all.
This bag.
Yeah, we're gonna try to organize all 3 bags. See what we can come up with. Okay, here we go. This is the contents of our electrical bag. That was in that bag there. And our wrench bag and miscellaneous files, channel locks, vice grips, screwdrivers. This bag's full of screwdrivers. Sandpaper, terminal cleaner, bottle opener, all kinds of different sealants, valve stems. Oh yeah, we did get some replacements from that time, huh? Magnets, mirrors, miscellaneous junk in there. O-rings. What else we got in there? We got all kinds of junk. What is this? These are the kits for the control arms, right? Bushing kits?
Yeah,
bushings for lowers and uppers.
To condense that.
And we're ready to re-up too, because we only got 1 lower, 2 uppers left. And that's this bag.
More miscellaneous. Nuts and bolts.
So I don't know, we're going to see if we can organize and condense this better from 3 different bags.
Yeah.
Well, that's the. That's our rigid box. In our rigid box, we carried the impact, snatch blocks, various different clips and pulleys, tire repair, gloves, tree strap, recovery strap, ratchet straps. That's all in the recovery box here. Now this goes, all this stuff goes with us every trip. Oops, excuse me, I almost tripped over the floor deck. All this stuff goes with us every trip. Now I did have some garage sale finds that I might incorporate into our kit. I'm gonna work on that. We picked up a bunch of taps and dies and a tap handle, new drift pin, some nice stuff here we picked up. So, new Morkoff knife for me. It's not too bad, a Gerber knife. But I like to get some taps and dies, go through those, and get those into our Jeep kit, because that does come in where we might need that stuff once in a while. We've had occasion before that we needed a tap and die, huh? And we've not been able to, we don't have one.
Well, no, we bought one, it was a cheap piece of crap.
Right, but that one broke. But I mean, it's come up where you need, on the trail.
Yeah, definitely. If something would strip something.
Right, you need a tap and die.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what we can organize now. We're going to make a list and go spend some of my hard-earned money and see if we can...
Because I don't have no money.
Are we going to spend some of yours then? We don't have to spend mine?
I'm spending yours tonight.
Oh, okay, so we're spending my money today. All right, we'll get back to you and show you what we came up with when we come down. All right, catch up with us on part 2, where we show what we did, put it all back together. Some things worked, some things didn't work, but stay tuned. That'll be the next video.